Hey lassie, is your plain looking black Firearm boring?
Yeah.
Then I'll be introducing the Zombie Sneeze Firearm Deborification Pod to you. Now put your firearm in the pod for 15 seconds there and let's see what's happened to her. Yeah. Go on, open her up. Oh, would you take a look at that now?
Whoa. It's completely changed.
Now that's one fine looking gun there to be shooting. It's gonna be fun for sure. Guaranteed to improve your accuracy and make you the envy of everybody down at the range. They'll be looking over there and going, wow, what an incredible looking gun that is. They'll be absolutely stupefied. Didn't I tell you it'd make your shots land where they oughta? They'll certainly know you didn't get that from just any gun shop.
Wow. It really does improve accuracy.
You should be knowing that the Zombie Sneeze Pod is not a real product and it's just a paint job. It doesn't really improve your accuracy, but it does increase your zombie factor on the range and somehow makes the High Point 485 look better. Ask Eric at Moss Pond to Zombie Sneeze your gun today, if you're brave enough, and tell him ShootFastFun sent you. Bring your own lingerie and you might even get a discount.